Hi there, Tim here. We're at the back of the Prado. We're going to get it on with Kayon again, and we're going to have a look at some storage, another storage idea for the back of the Prado. So what we got here is we call it the Caddy. Oh, there's my breakfast. I'll save that for later. But nice little storage compartment there. Doesn't need any holes to drill. Easy to install. Let's have a look at it. So grab the cover. And what we want to do is we want to remove these knobs here and reuse them in the Caddy. So flip it over, and hopefully you haven't lost this, but flip it over and you'll see in there that there's two little tabs on either side of the back here. So grab yourself a little flat screwdriver, and we want to push this little tab back and push down at the same time. You see that move down, and then if I do the same on the other side, I should be able to push it through and it'll just pop out like that. Now we want to retain both parts. Okay, so I'll do the other side too, just like that, and just push it down like that. So pretty easy to do. Grab your Caddy. You notice that there's a cutout at the top that's very similar to the ones that are in the back of the plastic. Grab the washer from the back, and there's a little spigot there. Now we want to insert that spigot upwards like this. Grab the knob, pass it through. Then we want to flip it over and just clip that into place. There you go. Too easy, just make sure it rotates. Now we'll do the other side. Again, you want that spigot to go into the hole. Line up the slots so it's vertical, push it through, and just clip that in place. Just like that, nice and easy. Now we want to do a bit of prep in the vehicle. Now, it's going to mount into this top slot, and normally there's a strap in there. If you haven't removed it already, just unclip it and just pull it out. You'll see that there is a little return on that, and that'll clip into those holes. Now, if you are installing this for the first time, the cage is not there, nice and easy. If the cage is in the way, you'll want it to just loosen off these two screws, which I'll do. This just gives us enough room to install so that allows you to pull that away. So if you're going to install this, if you have them all together, you want to install this one first and then that one. If it's already in place, we just want to open it up, give yourself a little bit of room. We're going to go into the top slot there and just have to push that in. You hear a clip, and that's it. Turn the knobs sideways. They should go straight into those holes, and that's it, you're done. Nice and secure, no rattles. I'll just put these screws back. And just to show you, table closes. Yeah, so great little system, uses up that space really nicely. Actually get a heap more room. You get a spice rack, band-aids, whatever you want to put up in there. But really finishes that off nicely and hides these ugly holes. Just want to show how useful this space is now. So underneath we still can get the cans in and slide them across, so you'll get a fair few cans in there. The top is perfect for your spices and so forth, fits that really nicely. Cutlery would fit in that quite well too, and the other nice little feature as well is you can actually open that up if you wanted to get something a little bit larger in there, tilt it out and lock it back in. That's the Rear Door Caddy.